Let us pray first according to our own beliefs. Please begin with prayers. Finish. Di sini kakak akan menayangkan video example of procedure text.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Andre Turnia and I'm from class 12 Section. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to topic according to my personal text titled How to Write Your
To first open the language slowly and push the button. After that, we will quickly turn on and please go. After that, click on this request to revise the procedure items. Lastly, choose whichever application you would like to use.
Here's what I can say. I hope this video is useful for all of you. With any homework, please don't be. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
After watching the video, what is the goals of the procedure text in the video? Alright, thank you for your answer. Apakah ada lagi yang ingin menambahkan? Atau ada yang berpendapat lain? The goals of the procedure text, the video is show us how to operate our method. I will explain a little about procedure text. Definition of procedure text. A procedure text is a text that provides instruction in form or how the readers about how to make of something. Usually, this type of text begins with a phrase how to, for example, how to make a cup of tea. Purpose of procedure text. The purpose of a procedure text is to explain how something is made, done or used through a series of sequential steps. Jadi, tujuan dari teks prosedur ini adalah untuk menjelaskan bagaimana sesuatu dibuat, dilakukan, atau digunakan melalui serangkaian langkah-langkah yang berurutan. Structures of a procedure text. Number 1, goal. Goal is the part of a procedure text that explains the purpose or objective. Materials are the part of procedure text that explain the rules and ingredients needed. And the last, steps are the part of a procedure text that contain the instruction or stages to make or do something. Jadi, struktur dari procedure text itu ada 3, yaitu goals, material, dan yang terakhir itu ada steps. Do you have any questions? Name it features of a procedure text. Simple present tense. A procedure text generally use the simple present tense because the interaction with or usually action that are commonly done in everyday show the leaders of the text. And the last adverb are used to give detailed instruction about how something should be done. For example, slowly, more than quarter minute, and so on. Jadi kaidah kebahasaan prosedur teks itu ada simple present tense, yaitu teks prosedur menggunakan simple present tense karena instruksi yang diberikan biasanya berupa tindakan. Imperative sentence itu biasanya menggunakan kalimat imperatif yang memberikan instruksi yang jelas kepada pembaca. Action verb yaitu umumnya menggunakan kata kerja tindakan untuk menjelaskan apa yang harus dilakukan oleh pembaca. Contohnya menjelas, mengandung, memotong, dan sebagainya. Conjunctions sering menggunakan kata hubung atau kata seperti first, next, then, dan lain-lainnya. And the last adverb, kata keterangan digunakan untuk memberikan instruksi yang lebih rinci tentang bagaimana sesuatu dilakukan. Types of prosedur text. Jenis prosedur text itu ada 4, yaitu simple prosedur text. A simple prosedur text only contains 2 or 3 steps. For example, the procedure for operating an iron. Complex procedure text consists of many steps and several stages in its process. An example of a complex procedure text is the procedure for paying traffic tickets by the police. And the last, protocol procedure text. A procedure text is a type of procedure text in which the step can be of done in different order, but the goal is still be achieved. An example is how to cook instant noodles. Jadi contoh jenis dari teks prosedur ini ada 3, yaitu simple prosedur text, complex prosedur text, dan yang terakhir protokol prosedur text. Do you have any questions? Jadi kalau simple prosedur teks itu prosedur sederhana hanya terdiri dari 2 atau 3 langkah. Contohnya adalah seperti untuk mengoperasikan setrika. Kalau konteks itu seperti terdiri dari banyak langkah dan beberapa tahapan dalam setiap prosesnya. And the last, protokol prosedur teks itu adalah jenis teks prosedur di mana langkah-langkahnya dapat diubah berurutannya atau dilakukan dalam urutan yang berbeda, tetapi tujuannya tetap sama. Next slide. Steps to read of procedure text. Yang pertama itu determining the topic, collecting information, and making an outline, developing paragraphs, arranging the procedure text. Siswanya ada berapa orang? Now I will introduce your resource around groups as will consist of one atau 3 students. Please book and sit with your group members.
Thank you.